Well, there's only one reason why my shop would be clear, and it's new project time. Let's see what we got going on today. So here's a quick rundown on the plane. 1962 L-29 Delphin, Czechoslovakian made, primarily used as a military training jet, Cold War era, about 3,500 of them made, and they were Rolls-Royce powered. Oh, and they flew at about 400 miles an hour. Now, this little birdie's not going to fly again, but she will drive. Yep. So make sure to turn on post notifications, like, comment, and stick around.